want to show people that Zamboanga is not scary, that Zamboanga is a place to visit. Minsan lang mag-request ng restaurant yung asawa ko.
Yun daw kinain.
Ginawang leche flan.
Kaya mo na tumaba.
Final meal in Zamboanga. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Mandaue. At nandito tayo ngayon sa favorite ni Robin, ang Denny's Coffee Garden. Request niya yan. Nandito kami mag-breakfast. So 9 a.m. to nagbubukas. It's 10 a.m. and we're going to eat here. And I'm excited to find out. Minsan lang mag-request ng restaurant yung asawa ko. So ibig sabihin, masarap talaga. So peg na peg nila yung, you like it there, maybe?
Where's everyone? Where's everyone? Everyone's gonna lift it up.
Tausog yung food na meron, tausog cuisine. So ayan yung mga menu niya. So now, this one is the food. It's a banana na may special dip. Ano ba siya? Matamis?
Ha?
Pwede ba mag-double dip?
Oo. Bakit naman? Talo naman yan.
Kaya nga. O doon na.
Torne. Sige, sige. Kakakain.
Tama. Para siyang coco jam.
Hindi alam mo. Sa
So ngayon,
bugo.
this is the main event na pinunta ni Robin yata dito, yung sati. Kaya ngayon, so para siyang soup.
Pwede mo talagang ano yun, ha?
Tausog food.
Kung malakas ang ano, pwede mong isupo.
Oo, and then there's like sticky rice na chopped up. And then meron siyang grilled na mukhang chicken.
Taga sa akin. Maanghang lang to.
Pero masarap. Ito pa isa pang tausog food, which is para siyang platter ng mga delicacies nila. Ito tinatawag nila bang soup. Ito mukhang may corn. Oo, tapos corn din yung pinangbalot nila. Ito ay
Wajib, biko.
ito naman,
Pitis. Ano po siya, may coconut sa loob, yung bukayo.
sobrang sarap by the way nung saki, as in. Sarap nung mais. Grabe naman sa sarap tong mais na to. Try din natin itong, ito biko. Biko. Oh.
Pero sarap.
Ang galing kasi dito pala sa Zamboanga, meron talaga silang sarili nilang cuisine. Hindi yung parang normal na tulad ng nakakain ko sa Manila.
Andito po ngayon tayo sa Denny's. Pangamat wala po si Denny's. Kami po enjoy na enjoy sa ito po saging. Sabi nila pati daw saging dito iba.
Kamusta kaya mga anak ko doon?
Nag-enjoy sila, ma.
Kailangan natin mag-walking sa ano.
Ito yung purple.
Oh, ma'am.
Ayan,
I should give this one to Gab. Okay, I will give this one to Gab.
Yo.
Taste it first. Sarap, Gabi. So yung sati, ginawa natin na may rice, tapos that is what the girls are eating right now. Can I see? How is it?
Guys, it looks spicy, but it's not spicy, guys.
Good.
Only if you put the sauce on top.
Now, isa pa daw na kailangan kong matry na tausog food is the beef kulma. Yan. So, ito ba ay parang curry nila dahil amoy curry? Tapos
Mas
kinakain...
matanda yan sa kultura natin.
Kinakain ba kasama ng pepino with the side? Parang may
Unahin mo muna
sambal?
ito. Baka mag-iba yung lasa.
So, ito po yung bite
Amoy
natin.
muna. Wow!
Oh, okay.
Kala ko naman susubo ka.
Sarap.
Parang pag-ibig ni Ma'am, matamis.
Tama, tama.
Susunod yung anghang, mauuna yung sarap eh.
Ito yung main event. Ito pala yung platter. So ito ay ano po
Chicken
ito?
yan, Ma'am.
Chicken na parang
chicken curry.
Parang chicken curry pero iba yung
Version
tawag nila
also.
dito. Yes. Kasi ito mga kanin to na nakabalot sa saging.
Hindi, Ma'am,
Ito
fish yan.
fish cake.
Oh, fish
Ito
cake.
yung kulma.
Yes, ma'am.
Ito yung sambal with cucumber. Ito naman
Yung parang gulay yan,
Gulay.
Ma'am, na may ano din.
okay. Tapos ito po yung ano siya.
Yula ito.
Ano ang tanga?
Yula ito.
Yula itug.
Yula.
Itum.
Itum.
Itum is black, Ma'am.
Yula itum. Parang itim,
Oo,
pero
oo,
itum.
oo. Kasi
Yula. Yula itum.
Tinola.
Soup. Beef
Black
tinola.
soup.
Black soup. Ayan
Yes,
siya, oh. Exciting. Okay. Now, ititikman na natin yung black soup. Yan po. So, para siyang bulalo na itim. Kasi may sinunog na coconut. Wow, masarap. Kakaiba. Babe. Kakaiba. Wow. So now we're going to try the fish cake with the sambal.
Invisible cord. Diba?
Sarap.
Basta pagkain talaga. Ito kasama ko talaga.
Kapag balik lagi rin kasama si Mama, sir.
Ang pangalan nito ay utak-utak. Ay, sarap. Pero ang inaano ko lang yung parang sambal niya. Sobrang sarap, grabe. Happy ako kasi na-appreciate ng mga bata ang pagkain ng mga tauso. So, do we give this restaurant a thumbs up? We are now at the National Museum in Zamboanga. Hi po! Hi!
Buenas tardes. Would you like to go up?
Buenas tardes, Ma'am Rose.
Buenas
Hola.
Bienvenido.
Okay lang po ba? Nag-video po kami, ma'am.
Sige po.
Thank you, ma'am. It was
Sweet.
built in the 1635 pa.
It was built against the pirates and raiders from the south. But the Spanish lacked manpower. So they hired laborers from Panay, Bohol, Cebu, Cavite.
Okay.
So when they came here, they do not understand each other.
Okay.
So they created a medium where they can understand each other, which is 70% Spanish, 30% native languages such as Tagalog, Visayan, and Muslim. That is the Chabacano language.
Nandito pala sa likod nito yung Zamboanga Siege noong 2013. Okay, it's a little steep, so you guys will have to, but you can do it. You guys are good. Yeah, you can do it, babies. All right. Para sa mga kabayo siguro to, no, babe? Kanyon pala. Oo, dito. They used to put cannons here.
Like a big green.
Yeah.
That's a guardhouse.
Guardhouse.
So ito, dito naglalagay ng mga kanyon dyan dati. So original pa po ito lahat. 1635 nagawa itong lahat ito at original pa lahat.
Made of black corals po.
Oo, made of black
Limestone.
corals, limestones. Kaya matibay na matibay.
And yung pangdikit ginamit dyan is white egg.
Aba, white egg yung ginamit na pang
Limestone, yes.
dikit.
Wala pa kasing
Wala pa, oo, white egg. Gano'ng karaming itlog kaya ang ginamit
Pero ang joke doon, Ma'am Mariel, saan doon napunta yung mga egg
Yung
nyo?
yolk ko.
Yun daw kinain.
Ginawang leche flan.
Kaya wala tumaba.
Noong 1897, meron daw pong earthquake dito. At
May makita silang mga huge waves na na-form.
kasi after ng earthquake, syempre magkakaroon ng tsunami.
Opo.
So nakakita sila ng mga huge waves. Tapos dun sa huge waves na yon,
May nakita sila
nakitang
nag-appear na
nakalutang
lady
na babae.
floating mid-air. And
Madaming nakakita.
ang
no?
daming nakakita po.
daw Muslim.
Yes, kaya Muslim, Christian, and other religion pumupunta po dito to pay the respect by nagsisindi sila ng kandila.
Ang pangalan ay Lady of Nuestra.
Nuestra Señora la Virgen del Pilar de Zaragoza.
Wow, isa pang beses. Hindi ko pa nakuha yon. Lady Nuestra, Lady Nuestra Señora
la Virgen
La Virgen
de Pilar
de Pilar de Zaragoza. Oh, wow. Howdy, ma. Thank you you so much for letting us film. I know na you guys are very strict about that. We want to show people that Zamboanga is not scary, that Zamboanga is a place to visit, that there are many things to see in Zamboanga, and so far, totoong-totoo talaga yon. Ang daming historical, masarap kainin, at saka maraming magagandang lugar na nakikita dito sa Zamboanga City.
This exhibition is a collaboration between the National Museum of the Philippines and the Universidad de Zamboanga.
Okay. Alaikum-salam.
Yung collections nila dito, more on mga maps po. And
Yes.
may depiction din tayo ng mga historical events.
Okay.
At the same time, more on history din po ng Zamboanga. So kung nakikita nyo, may mga fish tayo.
Yes.
So yung ano niya kasi, it's
Yung mga fish bang susundan natin?
Yes.
Okay.
po.
We're gonna follow the fish. Ito nga yung Vinta, yung famous boat. Ito talaga yung para nagsisimbolize ng Zamboanga.
Yung Vinta kasi, it's actually para influence din. Since we have, I think na-mention ni Sir kanina, we have yung local tribes, the indigenous people.
Ito yung Zamboanga dati.
Yes po.
Zamboanga City is a key gateway. So, linilink nito ang Sulu, Malaysia, Indonesia, lahat ng yon. Kaya talagang, siya talaga, kumbaga, babe, sentro siya talaga.
So this is parang the fourth pillar complex. So yung sa side po natin, yun yung sa
Yun yung
sa shrine.
na yung mga
And then kung mapapansin nyo, parang square po yung ano natin, covering around 7,000 square meters. So parang a brief history lang. Again, you know naman po, no, that this fourth pillar is actually built in 1635 by the Spaniards and served as a Spanish garrison or Spanish military defense. And then, actually, nung Americans po, naging classrooms yung ilang structures natin. So may mga ano din tayo, nag-serve siya as classrooms, and then some of our locals, dito din talaga.
Masasabi ba natin, babe, na
The Spanish brought in private school. The Americans brought public school.
the fourth pillar
There
is
is a
national cultural treasure. Oo,
Meaning,
ganyan pala.
it's being safeguarded by the government. And then, yun na po, taken over, or yung National Museum na po yung nagmamanage nito. Official name talaga ng fourth pillar is Royal Fuerza de San Jose or the Royal Fort of St. Joseph. And then naging Nuestra Señora del Pilar de Zaragoza, which is named after Our Lady of Pilar. And then dumating yung mga Americans, they shortened it to just Fort Pilar.
So again, thank you so much, Ma'am Rose. Thank you so much,
very
Ma'am
much.
Rose. And Miss Farah,
Yes
thank
po.
you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Maraming salamat. Visiting Zamboanga City showed us its rich history, colorful culture, and beautiful tourist spots. Contrary to some beliefs, we felt warmly welcomed and found it totally safe to visit, leaving us with unforgettable experiences. And just like that, our trip to Mindanao is over. Thank you so much to everyone who watched these vlogs. Maraming salamat, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Sa lahat po ng tumulong sa amin to make our trip successful. Thank you